Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2020 Sea Ray 23 SPX Outboard. Give you a little spec information first. The boat's 23 feet overall with an 8 foot 6 inch beam. Starting on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the new Mercury 200 V6 in the white color, which is a really popular option for this boat. As you step into the cockpit area, the first thing you notice below the full sun pad is you have a lot of storage. In here we have the cockpit table, the bow table, bow filler cushion. Great place to put all your beach stuff, your dock lines, fenders, life jackets, extras. When you step up into the cockpit, you've got a great L-shaped seating area here. The table mounts here. There's a cooler that slides under there. Very open. We have the infinity woven flooring. As you also see, this boat is equipped with a bimini top. This has the new stone interior, which is a new color for Sea Ray for 2020. As we come to the helm, you have your Mercury digital throttle, Fusion stereo 9-inch Simrad display. Over on the port side, you have a pump out head, very spacious. You also have a pass-through door that you can close in the cooler weather. If you don't want the air coming through, close that, close the windshield. Makes it more comfortable back here. Moving up to the bow, as I mentioned before, you have a bow table that mounts here. Seating on each side, this boat has the appearance package, which includes the full wraparound bolsters, more stitching, more finished out in the bow, as well as your Fusion speakers. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100. Check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.